Pivot table for Excel example. Step by step how to create a pivot table in Excel. Pivot table tutorial Excel. In this video we will solve 6 problems which are how to sort data in pivot table by value, how to change data for required field in pivot table, how to get percentage of data in pivot table, how to refresh pivot table data in Excel, how to sort data wise date in pivot table, what is two-way pivot table. So watch full video to understand this completely. We also discuss pivot table field as well. In this video you will learn pivot table for basic to advanced level. You can join free Excel course on mjonlinehometutor.com. Let's start this video. So we are just making a small data for it. It's a fast forward video. You can see how quickly I am going to make adding dates here. Quickly few dates, then color, and then I will add city quickly. Red, black, green, blue, pink, and just copy paste. And then I have to add city name as well. Some data needs to be increased. New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, Austin. So just copy paste. You can see how quickly I'm doing it. For you to come on the point pivot table, random units I have taken, and random cell I am also taking for our data to make pivot table. So the data is completed, so we need to convert our data in a table to create a pivot table with our data. So here you can see is the table 2. Once we click from insert to pivot, so we can select the range, and we already selected table 2 as is mentioned here, and we can create a pivot table on a same sheet or a new workbook or new worksheet. So here you can see is a pivot table field, and on A3 you can see data will be available once we select the data from the pivot table field. So I'm going to select the sales, and here you can see sales comes up for the from our data. I'm going to change it in the currency format, so 4,998, and I'm going to add colors, so you can see it will be show the data with the color wise and grand total as well. And I can change the currency format as well by changing the formatting option. So data is ready. We can sort it from small to large and large to small. So I have sorted it out. And once we change the data in our data sheets in table, so it will not appear in the pivot table. We need to refresh it. So once we refresh it, it will appear. I have created another video to automatically refresh the data. I will share the link with you after a few seconds, after a few minutes. So here you can see the data is refreshed, and after refreshing the data, the actual data will come up. And here I'm going to add the percentage option here. So we will get the percentage of our sale by here. You can see there are many options of percentage, but for that we need to take grand total percentage. So here you can see I have a percentage of my sale according to the colors, and here the percentage 100% because it's a grand total. So we are going to remove it. Now I can sort it by date wise. Once I drop it, here you can see the date is not look like look good. So I'm going to group it in date month wise. So here you can see you can group it in the month, dates, minutes as well. So I'm going to group it by a month. So data is look like decent data, and this is called two-way data. On the left side you can see in the column there are colors, and on the right side you can see now I have changed the data from column to row, and here you can see we have appeared the data by color wise and date wise. Once we filter it, so we can get the data for black color for each month, and we can select multiple colors as well, or multiple item if you have item wise data. So it's a very beautiful tool of Excel, the pivot table. They are two. This is a two-way. This was sorted by dates. Now I'm going to sort it by cities as well, so you can understand the two-way data and other all questions are clear. I request you to like my video and subscribe our channel. Also watch another video I will give you in the end of this clip. So link will be available in the on right top I option and in the description as well. There are many videos of pivot table. Thank you for watching.